Leo is late for school. Can he make it in time? Let's find out. In this story, you will learn 6 new words. Listen, read, and answer 4 questions at the end. Late. When you are not on time, you are late. Leo is late for the test. Worried. When you think something bad may happen, you feel worried. Leo is worried about the time. Decide. When you choose what to do, you decide. Leo decides to walk. Path. A path is a small road for walking. Leo walks on the path. Closed. When something is not open, it is closed. The gate is closed. Arrive. When you get to a place, you arrive. Leo arrives at school. Leo woke up. He looked at the clock. It was 7:45. Today was the big test. Leo saw his notebook by the bed. He had studied every night. "Oh no, I am late," he said. He jumped up and grabbed his bag. Leo ran outside. The morning air was cold. He looked down the long road. The bus stop was empty. No people. No bus. The bus was already gone. Leo's heart was beating fast. He did not know what to do. Leo was worried. He had 2 choices. He could wait 20 minutes for the next bus. Or he could walk fast and arrive in 15 minutes. He looked at his watch again. Every minute was important today. Leo decided. "I will walk," he said. Leo walked fast through the village. He walked past the small tea shop. The shopkeeper waved at him. He walked past the old temple. The path went up a small hill. Leo did not stop walking. At the top of the hill, Leo stopped. The gate on the path was closed. It was always open, but not today. Leo pushed the gate. It did not move. He thought about the test. He could not miss it. He looked left. He looked right. He needed another way. Leo saw a small path around the gate. It was narrow, but it was open. He walked through the grass quickly. His school bag was heavy. His legs were tired. But Leo did not stop. Only 2 minutes left. Leo saw the school gate. He ran the last few steps. He looked at his watch. 7:58. Leo walked into the classroom. The teacher had the test papers. She gave him one. Leo sat down. He picked up his pencil. He was ready. Question 1. What time did Leo wake up? Leo woke up at 7:45. Question 2. Why was Leo worried at the bus stop? He was worried because the bus was already gone. Question 3. What problem did Leo find at the gate? The gate on the path was closed. Question 4. What did Leo do when the gate was closed? He found a small path around the gate. How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. I read every comment. Great job! You learned 6 new words today. Next, A2 story number 2. Subscribe to keep learning English step by step. If this helped you, tap the like button. See you in the next story.